over right. Yeah. Relax the shoulder. Good. Yoko. Open yung ribs. Yan. Lean. Good. Yoko. Yan. Sige. Get ready. Hinga malalim. Exhale.
Ooh. Sarap. Ang dami yun ah.
Right.
Yeah, good. Go left.
Yan. Turn right. Turn left. Anything?
Left. Like dito.
Left. Shoulder.
Yeah, sa shoulder.
Sige, tingala. Tingnan natin. Anything connection? Okay. Nothing?
Wala masyado.
Good. Down. Here.
Yeah, matigas yung sa lower ba?
Pagka pinapush ko ng husto,
Yeah.
napupul ito.
Oh, yeah, lahat yan.
Okay. Let's see. Here. Go. Inhale and exhale. Twist.
Tight siya sa left rib.
Aha.
Yung lowest.
Ito.
Yeah.
Sige. Sobrang tight.
Yeah, yeah.
Check ko. Here.
Lumalaban siya.
Okay. Kabila. Go.
Same.
Same.
Yeah.
Magkabilaan.
I mean, like
Oo.
left pa rin.
Left
pero
pa rin.
meron na rin sa right.
Sige.
Yeah, tight. Super tight.
Stand up. Here. Ready? All the way down. Up. Up. Kamusta?
Wala naman.
Wala namang wala sobra.
Wala naman.
Okay, good. Check natin to. Baka maapektuhan.
Dito yung
Yan.
sa left.
Sobrang tight or
Yeah, kasi-
stretch na may pain?
Medyo nagbe-bed din ako nun. Kaya, wala namang pain, pero I can feel it stretching. Ganun. Yeah. More like stretch lang siya.
Good. So more of lower. Okay. Sige. So this time, ganito yung gagawin mo. Hawak sa tenga. Yan. Yan. Yoko. Yep. Good. Ganyan lang ha. Sige. Relax sa shoulder. Yan. Sige. Get ready. Hinga malalim. Exhale. Nice.
Oh.
Okay. Ito mas malalim na part. Hold, hold. Yan. Sige. Down na siko. Relax ang shoulder. Good. Ready. Inhale. Exhale. Nice.
Good. Malalim na siya.
Sige. Relax. Good. Hinga malalim. Exhale. Okay. Nothing. Very good. And here. Mas low. Sige. Left over right. Yakap. Yeah. Relax the shoulder. Good. Yoko. Open yung ribs. Yan. Lean. Good. Yoko. Yan. Sige. Get ready. Hinga malalim. Exhale. Good.
Ooh. Sarap. Ang dami yun ah.
Right?
Yeah, right. Go left.
4. Okay. Sige, yoko. Yoko. Yan. Isa tataas natin ng konti. Good. Up ng konti. Nice. Ready? Inhale. Exhale. Good. Good.
Yeah.
Sige, taas.
Ganyan.
Ganyan lang?
Oh.
Mabigat?
Oh.
Okay. So, hindi na to normal. Nung mga nakaraan, sobrang taas niyan.
Yun nga, ang tight niya eh.
Sige, bila. Okay. Ano nangyari?
Tight na rin.
Tight din.
Oh.
Okay. Medyo mabigat. Sige. This one cross. Let's see here. Inhale. Exhale. Stretch. Ako mag-i-stretch ha. Ready? Go. 1. Nice. Stay lang. Yes. Push it away. Okay. Okay. Here. Ready? 1. Kaya? Exhale. Nice. Good. Next. Ready? Go up. Taas. Diretso, diretso. Yan, diretso pa. Yan,
Diretso.
taas pa. Yan. Tigasan ito. Yan, good.
Ooh.
Nice.
Woo! Ang dami nun ah.
Dami.
Yeah.
Sa inner hip yun kapag ka sobrang. Nice. Okay. Good. Nice. Good. Okay. Good. And last. Good. Let's see right here. So ito kapag ka okay naman na ito. Kasi wala naman na any misalign right
Yeah.
here and here. So more on muscles na ang pinaka napupull at stress. Okay? Let's see. Inhale and exhale. Very good. Okay.
Ooh.
Good. Okay. Very good naman na yung spine. So very good na rin ito. Flat na ito. Nice. Release lang ng normal tension. Good. Nga. Exhale. Nice. Good. Right there. Hinga. Exhale. Good. Nice. Wala na. Very good na ito. Mas malambot na. Kamusta to?
Masakit sa left.
Left.
Upper part.
Okay, upper here. Sa lower, taga natin. Kamusta to? Same.
Edge lang. Hindi gaano.
Here.
I'm like, I can feel it pressing. So, parang ganun lang siya.
Normal side. Right there.
Yeah.
Okay. Sige, pupush natin ng konti. Here. Side. Up. Ito ha. Yeah. Pupasto natin ng mas maayos. This is your cervical 1. And cervical number 3 right there. Good. Sige. Inhale. Exhale. Relax ang shoulder. Very good. Nice. So, meron na kagad. Press.
Yeah.
Any pain?
Wala naman.
Over.
Oh, that feels nice. Pag napapress mo sa left. Yeah.
Here. 35 degree. Right there. Push. Relax. Good. Inhale. Exhale. Good. Nice.
Malalim nun ah.
Malalim na part.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
That's good.
Good.
Yung pain kasi nandito pa eh. Mababa pa eh. Dito banda.
Good. Cervical number 1. Right here. Rotation. Good. Inhale. Exhale. Rotation. Nice. Up, up, up. Sa akin yung tumunog ka. So, here. Nice.
Yeah. Clear siya.
Very good. Nice. Maluwag naman lahat. Okay? Next, higa.
More like mid-back na yun yung ano eh. Or upper. Yung dito. Kasi sa baba, nabawasan eh.
Ngayon, umakyat.
Yeah, umakyat. Meron pa rin sa baba, pero it's not that bad na after nung release kanina.
Here.
Medyo malaking release yung kanina, kaya sarap siya. Oh, that felt good.
Turn out. Good. Nice. Okay, up. So this one is para sa sacrum, mid. Right there. Good. Hinga, hinga. Exhale. Good.
Oh, ang dami pa.
Good.
Yeah. That's good.
Good. Ready? Hinga. Exhale. Nice. Okay, nothing more. Stretch. 2 and 1. the middle rib,
Mm.
and then yung lower lumbar. Ready? Hinga. Exhale. Relax. How was it?
Yeah.
Stretch. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good. How was it?
Sarap.
Okay. Usog ng konti sa baba.
Parang lahat na na stretch konti.
Babounce lang natin, ano? Sige. Inhale again. Stretch. Exhale. Bounce. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. Kamusta yan?
Mas masarap lalo. Like lumuluwag ka agad yung sa spine eh.
Good. Sige. Stretch again. Inhale. Exhale. Stretch. Good. Okay. Last one. Ready? Okay. Exhale. Close your mouth. Good. Nice.
Tulad dito siya. Like, super crunchy. Like, sobrang lutong yung tunog.
Natin yung muscles mo. Ayan. Okay lang? Good. Okay lang.
Nasa left niya yan.
Right. More on here.
No. Abs niya. Sa gitna pala.
Okay. All the way up. Sige. Good. Nice. And sideward. Sige. Go. Nice. How is it? Go up. Nice. All the way down. Very good. How's that?
Mas mahirap.
Again. Ready, up. All the way down. Very good. Sige. Go. Up. Matigas. Good. Sige. Nice. Matigas pa. Good. Down. Very good. Again, matigas ulit, ha? Ready? Up. Nice. Down. All the way side. Nice. Good. Relax. Ayan. Relax. This time, titignan mo ngayon kung ano yung nagiging difference nung una hanggang ngayon. Last two na. Okay, good. Ready? Relax lang ang kamay. All the way up. Nice. Mas wala na ito masyado. Good. Sige, go. Kamusta to?
Mas stable yung kamay.
Very good.
Hindi siya mabigat.
Nice.
Kanina ang bigat eh. Like, parang nahihirapan i-galaw.
Sige. Again, last. Yan. So, ito mas malalim na rin. Good. All the way down. And then, smooth. Yung tunnel itself. Yan. Okay? Nice. Yung pain at saka yung sensation, anong kakaiba?
Sa shoulder, para lambot na ng muscle.
Good.
Tigas na ng past few days eh. Sakit.
So, yun yung pinaka-proper massage na dapat natin ginagawa with the proper movement para lumabas talaga yung pinaka-muscle fiber na kailangan natin kunin. Okay? Sa iba't ibang parte din ng katawan, ganun din. Okay? Ready? Hands up. Let's see here. Nice. All the way down.
Tight, super tight. Lumalaban yung hand mismo eh.
Katulad ng una-una sa left na. Ready? Go again. Up. Good. Again, relax lang yung kamay. Go all the way up. Nice. Side down, side down. Nice. This time, engage again. Okay? Good. Ready? Go. Up. Engage. Nice. Sige, lakasan. Yep, all the way down. This is your tunnel right here. Nice. Good.
Hirap nun ah.
Engage again. Parang sikip nung pag-move mo, no? Okay, all the way up. Sige. Sige, matigas pa. Good. Sideward down. Nice. Kita mo yung mga tumutunog sa muscles? Yep. Good. Okay, relax. Last two. This time, relax naman yung kamay.
Okay.
Okay? Get ready. Relax ang shoulder, relax ang kamay. Good. Go up. Nice. Very nice. Here, go down. This is the tunnel. Nice one. Good. Anong difference?
Yung ngayon, hindi siya nanginginig.
Good.
Yung una, ang hirap iangat eh. Kaya minsan sumusobra yung angat ko eh. Parang ang bigat talaga ng buong assembly.
Ready? Go. Relax. Nice. Up. Okay. Good. Down. This is the tunnel. Very good. Mas smooth na ngayon.
Oo, hindi na siya nagsa-stutter.
Nice. Last cover. Go up. Confirm natin ito. This one. Nice. Wala nang hams ng husto. Good. All the way down. Side. Nice. Smooth na siya. Okay? See? So that's the proper process sa lahat ng muscles. Okay? Maluwag. Sige, down again. Mula sa harap. Up. Very good. Down. Nice. How was it?
Okay naman siya. Mostly kasi sa socket eh.
Medyo, yan.
Lumalabas.
Ibig sabihin, hindi na firm yung kapit ng ating ligament support. Ate? Nice.